everyone and welcome to Ira tutorial. I am Aarti Naik. Today I am going to teach you class 10 subject English unit 2 topic 2.2 the 3 questions English workshop. Let us see first question. Read the story and answer whether the following statements are true or false. First one. The people convinced the king to make a proclamation. False. King his own decided to make it. The hermit spoke usually to everyone. False. Hermit spoke usually to the common people. The king received all answers from the hermit. True. The person the king saved and helped was his enemy. True. To do good to people is the purpose of our life. True it is. Now let us match the titles with the contents of the proper paragraph. So these are the content of the paragraph and we will label them with a name, with a title. So once a certain king, now whatever he made proclamation announcement, that is king's announcement. Many learn people, so whatever they did, time for everything. So what many learned people did? The king received various answers, equally varied gave the reward to none because the questions remain unanswered. The hermit listened and continued to dig. King helped the hermit. The king turned round, gave it to him for that the wounded stranger. Title of that part of the story is The Wounded Stranger. Meanwhile, the son, said the king, that means whatever things are happened, the stranger begs for pardon. Do you know all my life? Stranger's vicious intention. So in this part, stranger tell the king about his intention. The king was very glad the day before. Why he was very glad? Because king gains a friend. Do you not see? Sent into this life. So here the hermit point out answers. Question number 3. The character traits of the king and the hermit are mixed up. So here we are going to sort it. So here the qualities are mixed up here. We are going to sort out. So king is impatient because he asks the same question in a day so many times, and as the king has this type of questions, so king is eager to succeed, and king helped the hermit. This shows that help the hermit and the stranger. So this shows that he is helpful. Now hermit is feeble, means very weak. Enlightened, that means having knowledge. Patient, that means have patience to understand the thing. Convincing, that means he convinced the king, and also he was wise. So these were the qualities of the king and hermit. Now complete the tree diagram associated with the happening in the story. So first, reward winning questions. What happened? Which three questions were there? What was the right time for every action? Who were the most necessary people? And what was the most important thing to do? These three were the reward winning questions. Different responses to the first question. Which different responses king received for the first question? So first, draw up, means what is correct time, for that he received different options. So first option is draw up in the advance a table of days, months and year and live strictly by it. Second, one should always attend to all that is going on and then do what is the most essential. Third, impossible for one man to decide the right time for every action. So have a council of a wise people. So these were the various answers he received for his first question, that what is the correct time to do anything. Now most necessary people needed by king. Second question. So which various variety of answer he received? counselor, priest, doctor, and warriors. Most important occupation, third question. So these answers he received that most important occupation is science, then skill in warfare, and religious worship. Question number 5. Write down in your own notebook 2 points for each of the following. How do you know? First, the learned advisors who came to the court confused the king. So, how do we know that how they confused the king? Because advisors started giving different answers. Few of them learned advisors who came to the court confused the king. None of the advisor gave any of the true or correct answer to the king's any of the question, and also no advisor has anything common in their answers. Next, the king was humble. So, how do we know the king was humble? The king worked for Hermit as an ordinary person. He did not force Hermit to answer his questions. He treated Hermit with respect, and that's why we can say that king was humble. The king's enemy was repentant. The king's enemy tells him that since the king has saved his life, if the king wish it, he would serve him all his life. This shows that he was repentant, that means accept mistake and ready to do service. The hermit was truly wise. The hermit was knowing answer to the questions of the king. He ignored the king many of the time when he asked the question. This indicates that hermit was really wise. He wanted to make the king understand his questions more practically, and that's why hermit gave practical knowledge to the king. He would have been able to answer the king's question in such a real and practical way. This shows that the hermit was truly wise. Question number 6. Now, varied means what? Here options are given to you. So, this colored, purple colored are the answer. Varied means different. Many learned people came to the court and gave different answers. The synonym of convinced is persuaded. The king wanted to know the right time. I pray you to answer my question. He pray means here request. Chose an adverb that collocate with the breathed heavily. Question number 7. The learned people were sometimes divided in their opinion, different person giving quite different answer at the other time. None of them gave an answer. They all suggested the way to looking for the answer. Can you point out one example of each? Now here you have to write down with the example of different things. For example, let us take example when when the COVID was at the peak at that time, people thought that they should be vaccinated and vaccinated immediately. But when government announced to do the vaccination for particular category, at that time people were thinking, people were having different opinion. Does vaccine has any side effect? Let other take, then we will take. So this type of different opinion people are having. Though the hermit did not say anything to the king for some time, he did not ignore the king or treat him rudely in any way. Do you agree? Yes. He did not treat him any bad way or rude way. What evidence of his politeness can you point out? That hermit always try to convince him, or he always shows something with the practical knowledge. What show that he listen and respond to the king's word? It shows that whenever king used to ask question, at that time hermit used to uh, ask him something for the help, or like that means something he was responding. The hermit spoke only to common people, so the king put on simple clothes. Do you think the king hoped to be mistaken for a common man, or was he just showing that he was a humble person? No, I do not think like that, because he whatever he means when he put on the simple clothes, he behaved like that also, and he was actually helpful and humble. What shows that the hermit knew him to be a king? Hermit knew him to be a king because after doing a small work, the king was tired and king was impatient. King was not having that much capacity to work for someone or listen to someone for more time. Did the king behave as an ordinary person rather than a ruler at the hermit's hut? Yes, he behaved like a ordinary person. What shows it? It shows that he helped the wounded person. He made his dressing 2 3 times and take care of him. Did he also act as a good and kind person? Yes. He take care of the wounded person. This shows he was a good and kind person. When did he do so? When he helped the wounded person. Do you think the hermit knew beforehand not only about the king's arrival but about the ambush of his enemies? It may be or may not be Hermit was not knowing, but he was waiting for the proper time to explain the answer practically to the king. The, okay, next question. Consider the list of the different things that happened and rearrange them in the order of a time. That is what happened first and what happened next and so on. So here in your textbook it is given in the jumbled way. I have already arranged it. The bearded man resolved to kill the king. The king went alone to see the hermit. The king executed the beardman's brother. The king spent the night at the hermit's hut. The bearded man laid an ambush to kill the king. The king's bodyguard recognized and wounded the bearded man, and the bearded man came out of the ambush. Okay, so this is the sequence. That was the question. Now answer is what will come first? The king executed the bearded man's brother. The bearded man resolved to kill the king. The bearded man laid an ambush to kill the king. The king went alone to see the hermit. The bearded man came out of the ambush. The king's bodyguard recognized and wounded the bearded man, and the king spent the night at the hermit's hut. So, this is the real sequence. Read the story in your own language and summarize it, the following aspect of the story. In short story, The Three Questions, Leo Tolstoy explores the theme of wisdom, acceptance, kindness, and forgiveness. The story is about a king who wants to know the answers of three questions so as to get enlightenment. In order to run the kingdom in a proper way, he wanted to know the resolution from the countrymen. He disguised himself, then went on to find solutions to his answers. The hermit tells the king that all the answers are within himself. By helping the wounded man and by spending time with the hermit, he gets to know the answer to his questions, which he got through self realization. He learned to do good to others without thinking about oneself. Now, uh, now here you have to write down all these things in your own mother tongue in your notebook. That is King's Problem or Attempts Made to Find a Solution, Climax, Solution and Message. What you learn from this story, write down in Marathi. Sorry, Marathi or your mother tongue. Question number 10a. The following compound words from the story are spelt in jumbled way. We are here to correct it. First one is undertake. Second is anyone. Third is pastime, bodyguard, warfare, beforehand, meanwhile, everything. So, all these letters were jumbled. We arranged them in a proper way to make a meaningful word. From the story, find the collocation. Collocation means the words which are coming in the company or in the pair of another word to make to give importance to that word. For example, important, most important, intently, gazing intently, frail and weak, widely renowned, right time, warm blood, simple cloth, eyes closed, fell asleep, made peace. So these words are used together in the story. Say whether the verbs underlined in the sentences are finite or non-finite. So finite means what? It is limited by the number or person of the subject, and non-finite means non-governed by the subject or number or person. So whatever finites are there, they are underlined with black line, and non-finite are with blue line. Okay, so he decides that is finite, and to go to the hermit, to go is non-finite. I have come, finite. He gave, finite verb. The hermit was, finite verb. Digging, non-finite verb. I pray, pray finite verb. To answer, non-finite verb. Forgive, finite verb. Begun, finite verb, and to sing is non-finite verb. Now narrate an experience of your own that has helped you realize that patience is better, but patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. So you have to write down this incident in your notebook. So you can write down in this way that sometime it happened that you are waiting for something, you ask for something from your parents, and it took a long time, but finally you received it. So that waiting for that thing is a bitter, but after getting that thing, its fruit is sweet. For example, if suppose in childhood you might have asked for bicycle, and when you received it you enjoyed it. Like that, any incident you can write down of your own. After reading this story, develop a dialogue between two of your classmates about the character in the story beside the tactful introduction to the conversation, and write 8 to 10 set of dialogue. So here you can write down the dialogue between the king and the hermit, or the king and the wounded man. From the library or internet, read the story How Much Land Does a Man Need? It is a beautiful story written by Leo Tolstoy, and read review of the same, covering the following point. So these are the following points: background of the story, character of the story, plot or theme of the story, climax of the story, message and moral of the story. So the How Much Land Does a Man Need is a very beautiful novel written by Leo Tolstoy. If possible for you, try to find out this novel in your library, or on internet you can get the review of this book. So this is all explanation about the questions related to English workshop of the 3 questions. If you I hope that you might have understood each and all question and answers I try to give you, make you clear. And if you have any difficulty, do not forget to write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.